But our infrastructure, and you're building an international airport in Jewar, which is not very far from here. We want our infrastructure, we claim that we have world-class infrastructure, but if people are going to die, the investment will fly out of here. People are not going to come here if you're going to give this kind of investment, this kind of infrastructure to them, where they can just die by driving on the road.
See, again, I'm going to say this is something, I'm standing at a spot where we have lost a young life, and I would not be talking on the political terms. I'm just going to be very empathetic to the family as well. But if you really ask me, what we need to do, there are two words which I'm stating on again and again. We have to do two things. One is corrective measures.
Who will take those corrective measures?
Corrective measures has to be taken by Noida Authority. Of course, it will be taken on. We would raise these things. We will raise these voices, and we will ourselves do that for the people of Noida. Second is that we have to be disciplinary. So wherever we see that there are corrective measures have not been taken properly, or we find that there are places like this are happening, we have to make sure that those disciplinary actions are taken, and we should.
You're saying somebody driving in the fog who can't see ahead of him, he should be more disciplined. He should be disciplined.
No, disciplinary action against people whose negligence has cost a life. Is that what I'm speaking about here?
Okay. Disciplinary action जो लिया गया गौरव चाचरा, क्या उससे आप संतुष्ट हैं? एक जूनियर इंजीनियर के ऊपर एक्शन लिया गया क्या एग्जाम्पल सेट किया जाए, और एफआईआर क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए? ऐसे ऑफिशियल्स जिनके लापरवाही की वजह से जान जाती है, उन पे एफआईआर क्यों नहीं किया जाता कभी?
बिल्कुल एफआईआर होनी चाहिए, और अगर ये एक्शन ले लिया जाता, ट्रक गिरा था, तो शायद ये बच्चे की जान बच सकती थी। उस समय एक्शन नहीं लिया। एक सरकार की लापरवाही है, प्रशासन की लापरवाही है। जब तक किसी की जान ना जाए ये लोग जागते नहीं हैं। अब इन्होंने जाके बैरिकेड्स लगा दिए और अपना रिफ्लेक्टर्स लगा दिए, लेकिन जो बच्चे की जान चलेगी उसका कंपनसेशन कौन देगा? बच्चा तो दोबारा हम ला नहीं सकते, लेकिन ये कोशिश कर सकते हैं कि भविष्य में किसी और का बच्चा, किसी और का बेटा, कोई और इंसान यहाँ पे किसी की और की जान ना जा सके।
Whether it is Indore, whether it is this incident, sir, do you think it's high time now in India we should start compulsorily filing criminal negligence FIRs against officials whose task is inaction, acts of omission, commission, whatever you choose to call it, is leading to death?
You rightly pointed out, it's a very valid question you raised. After 78 years of our independence, we registered first FIR of wrong side driving. Do you remember? On 11th of this year, after 78 years of our independence, we registered first FIR for wrong driving. This is a criminal negligence. Until unless you will not book the concerned officer, you will not fix the criminal liability of the police officer or civic officer, until you will not get any relief from such type of incident. It can be repeatedly again and again. Disciplinary action is nothing. It says, I can say it's a eyewash only. You will suspend, and after 6 months he will rejoin again. He will get all the benefits. You will not get. He will go to the
and he will. You should respond to that, because
get everything.
This suspension is a joke. The official who's